Oh, is this Hainan on approach? Shut up, woman. Where's this in from? Oh, let me just check on my radar. Hold on a minute. London to LAX. Wow. Oh, we're from Hong Kong, is it? Oh no, sorry, from Beijing, this one. I think new train doors have been added to the sound. What's that? Is that Kung Fu? What that? Is that Kung Fu Panda? This is a panda, isn't it? Bosh. Oh. Oh. Yo. Easy. Flipping, eh? Oh, well, it's going to go take off then for a minute. Yo. Folks, definitely watch that back, please. That was an excellent landing. She was going to go around nearly, but she's landed now. Nice. Okay, oh. China Southern 777 in the yellow colour scheme during. Oh, okay. Oh, China Sun 380 is one out, 15 minutes out. Shall we get the China Sun 380? Anybody fancy put a China Sun 380? So, Jelly, can we get the China Sun 380? Yeah, I think we can, actually. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, folks. We're not going to end yet, but we've got a China Sun 380 to finish off with, and then we're going to go to Beijing, and then we're going to be back in Beijing for some Air China stuff arrivals, including Virgin Atlantic's Airbus A350. Keep an eye on that. Look at that. Okay, there's only a couple of Shanghai arrivals in 747s. We got BA's 777's due. Emirates, I think. Emirates 777's due in from Dubai. Oh no, Emirates. No, Emirates is not due in. Sorry. Emirates. Oh no, sorry, China Southern due in. Oh, Qantas A380 due in. Nice, Qantas A380 landing in 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. China Southern, unfortunately, we're going to leave it there because she's about, God knows how long she. Oh, we won't get, unfortunately, folks. We're going to leave that to another time because this aircraft's like about an hour out into Shanghai. She's only just departed from Guangzhou, and we ain't going to get her in time. Okay, China Sun 777 in the duck livery, yeah? In the duck livery, yeah? Or was it a bird? It's like a duck, isn't it? During in. Where's it in from? Out from Guangzhou, okay. And then we've got a BA Virgin as well. British Airways and yeah, we've got British Airways 777-300 or 200 during. I've got a 777-200 during, okay. And then I've got a BA 777 during in about an hour. Probably around about 10 o'clock. Around about 7 o'clock this morning. 8 o'clock, sorry. 7:50 she departed.